What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Miss Rachel Mariah. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back with another video. And that's on period. Okay, so as you can see in the title, well, first of all, welcome to Entrepreneur Life, the new series on this fabulous channel. Okay, if you did not know, now you know that your girl is venturing off into the entrepreneur world. Okay, yes, I have started an online clothing store named Radiant Lily. The website will be available soon, so just, you know, stay tuned, because I have something planned. I have a whole little series planned leading up to the launch date, so just get into it. Everything that's going to be in this unboxing in this first episode is really just all the necessary items and tools. Some of them are opened because I'm excited and my family is nosy, so there's that. But you know, let's just get right into the video. We're going to start with this package from Amazon. I think I know, I'm not sure. This is gonna get on my nerves. My light blue tissue paper for packaging, of course, has come in. I'm very excited. Of course, I opened these. These are my business cards. I just love Canva's whole, I love how they're so spicy with that. The way I like these little crinkles and stuff like that. I don't remember how many I ordered, honestly. But these are our business cards. I'm not gonna get too detailed into it. Maybe in a packaging video I'll get a little closer. I don't really like the colors. It was supposed to be more vibrant blue to match the tissue paper, obviously, but it is what it is. And I made them myself on Canva, obviously. I feel like Canva's a little bit cheaper than Vistaprint. Don't at me. I like Canva better. And Canva helped me figure out that I'm a whole graphic designer, honey. I didn't even know, but I'm a whole graphic designer. Like, owning a business and starting a business will give you, like, show you talents that you never knew you had. And oh, if you hear sound, that's my fan. It's hot. It's hot, and I'm not about to. No, I'm not doing that for y'all. The other box from Canva. Ooh, ring light. Don't do that. All right, these are my thank you cards. Once again, I feel like Canva does everything so like very professional. They care about their business. Anyways, I need to find stickers this size. I want stickers this size. I don't know what size this is. And let me tell you something, stickers are expensive, honey. I never thought that stickers would cost as much as they do, but they do. Like, they do. Our thank you cards. Okay, yeah. I left it blank on the back because I want to write personal thank yous to, you know, all of the customers or whatever. I'll probably, when these run out, I'll probably do something else because I don't really like how flimsy. I wanted it a little thicker, but now I know. So yeah, that's just that on that. Do any of y'all watch Light Skin Keisha and Coca? Cause they are hilarious. Keisha be having me weak. That's just that on that, honey. Period. Okay, this box, I feel like, relax. I feel like they dragged it with this whole box, because when y'all see what's in this box, it don't make no sense. Wow. Oh yeah, I did open this. I just got some stickers. I'm gonna try and find one. See, medium, large. I just got stickers so I can label the inventory when I'm like putting it away, so it'll make life a little bit easier for when it's time to package them. Not all the way positive. My handy dandy knife. Smith & Wesson, what's up? is the backdrop. The white backdrop for the pictures, all the product pictures that I'm gonna take, because I ordered that whole that big old thing for photo shoots and stuff like that because I'm extra. Yeah, so will my business. Your business is a reflection of you, and if you're extra, then why is your business basic? Oh wait. Okay. Listen at me talking like I've been doing this for a long period of time. Anyway. Rug. This is the rug for the product pictures also. I don't like to change. No, I don't want to open this yet. I don't want to open this yet. I never seen no rug vacuum pack like this before a day in my life though. That's for sure. Ooh, and my polymers. If you can't tell, our business colors are black, white, and like a splash of blue. And I picked the blue because Radiant Lily is my grandmother, well, who passed not too long ago. She passed in 2018. But her favorite color was blue. And anytime it was time for us to step out, she had on the flyest blue 2-piece set you could even, okay? Honey was fly. Oh, I like this, and I like that it's kind of matte. This is gonna be lit. This is gonna go stupid. I can't wait, honey. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay. Our last box. 6 drawer storage bin organizer thingy thing. Yes, this. Oh god. This. I have to put this together, obviously. I can organize and stuff like that. Definitely gonna have a part 2 video of just me organizing and putting stuff on this car. I might need another one depending on how big it is because my space isn't that huge, but hey, gotta do what it does. I don't want to put this together. I almost cussed. I don't want to put this together. I don't want to do this, but I have to. But yes, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you stay tuned and, you know, just keep on the lookout because we got some greatness coming. Remember, 2020 is rich bitch energy all year. Don't forget it. All right? Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next week. Okay? Bye.